BSc third year, zoology. Name of the paper fishery science. Paper number 16 A. Now this is the fishery, the pisciculture actually. Zoology is broadly classified into two groups, invertebrate and vertebrate. The fishes are cold-blooded, aquatic animals breathed by the gills. Now this species is the Chordata actually, and this class is the super class is the Pisces. Now study of this, now fishery science. What is meant by fishery science or fisheries? The fishery science defined as the study of collection, preservation, marketing of all edible fishes, marine water, brackish water and fresh water is called as a fishery. Now next definition of the fishery science is the ichthyology, defined as the study of the fishery. Now this study of fishes, these fishes are live in a water. They are the aquatic. The three body of the water, fresh as well as brackish water, as well as marine water. Now these freshwater fishes are different, marine water are different, and brackish water are different. For example, live in a freshwater body, Katla, Rohu, Mrigal, exotic carps. There are three species. There are the silver carp, grass carp, and Siberian scarpio. Some species are different and catfishes, Clarius, Vanabotto, Anamus, so as. The next water body is the brackish water or estuarine water. There are different fishes. Chanos, milkfish, Anamus. And marine water fishes, they are Bombay ducks, sardines, mackerels, bumper, sole fisheries. So as the fisheries. Now they are the study of, this is the systematic position of the species. Now this systematic position, this species for this is Katla. Now this phylum is Chordata. They are vertebrate animals, aquatic vertebrate animals. Now this group is the vertebrata. This is the vertebral column is present. Now these divisions, this is the Gnathostomata. But in this case, this division is the two types of the vertebrate animals. First is the Agnatha. Agnatha means they are the without jaw, and Gnathostomata means the jaw is present. For example of this the Agnatha is the Petromyxine and Myxines. The mouth part of this the roundeds, and they class for this the Cyclostomata. Now Gnathostomata jaw is present, upper jaw and lower jaw in the fish. Now this is the Pisces. They are study of the fishes, all the fishes. And now this is the subclass. They are the Tylostomy. Now there are 7 classes of the fishes. Now this is the 7th class. The first one is the Petrichothies, second is the Costacothies, third is the Acanthodidae. Now this species, there is the Placodermi, the plate-skinned fishes. They are the extincts. And next, 4th classes, they are the Elasmobranchi, Holocephali, Dipna and Tylostomi. They are the living classes. Now they are the extinct. They are living. Now they are the study of this the different class. So as the study of this Tylostomi, they are the bony fishes. They are these Asticothies. Now the structures of the fishes, they are the streamlined, dorsoventrally flattened. Now these order is the Cypriniforms, family Cyprinidae, genus Catla and species Catla. For example, this Indian major carp, the systematic position of the species, the Indian major carp, there are 3 species, Catla, Rohu and Mrigal. This position of the same, but changes of this the genus and species. Genus is the Labio, species is the Rohita. Next, third species is the genus Sirena and species is the Mrigala. Now the Indian major carp, this is the systematic position or this classification. Now the study of this is the body of fishes, they are the general character, so as the cold-blooded animals, ectothermals, and the structures, the fishes, the body is divisible into 3 parts: head, trunk, and tails. Paired and unpaired fins are present. And this body covered by the scales. Now this class Tylostomi, the bony fishes, so as the Catla, Rohu, Mrigal, the body covered by the scale on the cycloid and ctenoid scales. But different species of this marine water, this is the Scoliodon, the body covered by the placoid scales. This species is the marine water and this species is the fresh water. Now this class changes. This Scoliodon. Scoliodon, this class is the Elasmobranchi. And this species is the fresh water. This class is the Tylostomi. Now the difference, they are the study, this is the scale is the exoskeletons of both species, the Scoliodon and this is the freshwater fish, that is the Labiorhita. And this bone are present. This is the bony fishes and this is the cartilaginous fishes. Now this study of this is the head regions. The mouth is present. A pair of the nostrils. Barbels are present. A pair of the eyes. And now this body streamlined. The gill cover is the branchostegoid operculums of the class Teleostomi species. And now this class is the Elasmobranchi. They are the branchiostigate or operculum is absent. 5 to 7 gill slits are open. Now this species of the fish, this body is the front region is the dorso-ventrally flattened, and presence of these locomotory organs of the body, paired and unpaired fins. Now the dorsal, caudal and anal, they are the unpaired fins, and pectoral and pelvic is the paired. Now this tail regions, this is the caudal fins. This is the bony fishes. Some species Indian major carps, this caudal fin is the homocircle. But in this case of this Scoliodon, this class of the Elasmobranchi, the tail is the heterocircle. Means of this two lobes of the dorsal fins, the dorsal lobe is the elongated and ventral lobe is the short. That meaning that is the heterocircles. And these ones, the next page is tomorrow. They are the study. Okay, thank you.